It's yet another month, and Bilt has done it again for Rent Day. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are doing well. I don't mean to just make Bilt Rent Day videos every month. I've been meaning to edit my last couple of videos from my Japan series, as well as not one, not two, but three business first class flight reviews for you all. There's lots of exciting life changes going on for me. Things are great, but I just haven't had the time. So here we are. Yet another month is changing, and we have a very exciting Rent Day offer from Bilt. And it kind of goes with a lot of the videos that I've done on this channel, and the benefits are pretty great. So let's talk about it. So this Rent Day, October 1st, 2024, Bilt is offering its members free Hilton Honors Gold status for the rest of the year until December 31st, 2024. There's no special transfer bonuses, no math for me to mess up, no special hoops you have to jump through. You just have to register to receive your Hilton Honors Gold status on October 1st, 2024, and you receive it through the rest of the year, December 31st, 2024. Hilton Honors Gold status from October to December. And there is an opportunity to let that gold status go through all of next year and even a little into 2026. Bilt is doing what's called a status challenge. If you stay 8 nights between October 1st and December 31st of 2024, you will have Hilton Honors Gold status throughout March 2026. And if you stay 14 nights within the rest of this year, 2024, you'll receive diamond status until March 2026. Now, why is this so special? I have done quite a few videos about Hilton properties on this channel. Actually, fun fact, I used to work at a Hilton property, the Hilton New York on 54th and 6th, which maybe is still the biggest hotel in New York, but I worked there for about a year at the front desk in my hospitality days. That was a very long time ago. Anyway, why this is so good. You've watched a lot of my Hilton videos on my channel before. Specifically, I'd say the Conrad Las Vegas video, if you want to go back and watch that. I have touted the benefits of the Hilton Amex brand of cards. Now, there are two cards I want to focus on here. One is the Hilton Surpass card. This card has a $150 annual fee and gives you Hilton Honors Gold status. With this Bilt Rent Day promo, you are already receiving gold status. Now, there are other benefits to the Hilton Surpass card, of course, but you are receiving a huge benefit just by being a Bilt member on October 1st, 2024. And then just factor in the status match. During that Conrad Las Vegas video, I talked a lot about the Hilton Aspire card, which is the top tier of the 3 Hilton cards offered by American Express. That card has a $550 annual fee and gets you diamond status. Now let's do a hypothetical. Say you go away for a week around Thanksgiving time this year and then a week around Christmas time this year. Or say you do a huge trip 2 weeks at the end of December of this year. Then you'll have Hilton Diamond status throughout next year and a little bit into 2026. That provides huge value. Now, the US Hilton properties, a little bit stingier than the international ones, but if you've watched my many Hilton Tokyo Bay videos or my Hilton Tokyo video, which I published a few months ago, then you'll notice that diamond status, as well as gold, gets you some pretty great benefits, whether it's free breakfast for gold members, room upgrades if available for gold members, and then for diamond members, executive lounge status and even better room upgrades. And I find that in international destinations, Hilton Gold and Diamond status can take you pretty far. And I know a lot of people do rag on Hilton for their points value. It's not great, to be honest, and they have a little bit of a dynamic structure, no points chart available for their hotels, meaning you never really know what a hotel is going to cost. I think Hyatt truly is the best of the best in terms of the 3 big ones, Hyatt, Marriott, and Hilton, in terms of value for points. And yeah, so Hilton might be a little bit confusing, and other points and miles experts would kind of shy you away from Hilton. But if you're a points newbie and you have the Bilt card and you're interested in getting another card, I'm going to give you a possible action item in terms of getting the most value for this status benefit. Now, I told you that Amex has 3 Hilton cards in their portfolio. They've got the Amex Expire with that $550 annual fee and the Hilton Diamond status. They have the Amex Hilton Surpass with the $150 annual fee and the gold status. And by the way, let me know in the comments, if you have the Surpass, are you canceling it because of this Bilt status benefit? I really want to know, because I'm probably going to cancel mine, to be honest. But the third card is simply titled the Hilton Honors American Express card, and this card has no annual fee. And right now, Amex is offering 100,000 Hilton Honors points for a $2,000 spend within 3 months. So if you're on the hunt for a new card and want to just build a first stash of Hilton Honors points, that is a great way to start. There are multiple transfer partners to Hilton Honors as well, but this is a way to get a ton of points to start you off. If you're already planning on staying in some Hilton hotels this holiday season and are going to get that gold or diamond status throughout next year and want to have a nice little base of Hilton Honors points, that might be a great place to start. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Always happy to help. And I know I say it every time, but definitely look out for the Hotel Miracosta video and my other first and business class flight reviews. I promise they're coming. Things are crazy, but I really appreciate you guys being here and watching my videos. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.